Good morning, students. In the statistics, we have already gone through or going through the measures of central value, in which you have already studied the arithmetic mean and the median. How to calculate the central value by arithmetic mean and median. Arithmetic mean, central value, that is on the basis of value where is that is algebraic method, and in the median, that is positional situation or positional value, mean which value of that variable is situated at which place. Now the third measures of central value is called mode. It's called mode. What is mode? As it is given in the definition in your book, that is mode of a set of observations. A set observation means the variables have been given, then you have to observe it. What is that which value which occurs the greatest number? I mean, in that given series, the values are given, which value is having the greatest number, of which is greatest one, or which frequently repeat itself, greatest number of time it is repeating itself, that is called the mode. Greatest number of times, that is with greatest frequency in a series, which is largest one, which is greatest one, that frequency or that number is called mode. On the other hand, we can say that variable value of the variable around which the mode is heavily concentrated, the items are heavily concentrated. Again, you understand it. Mode in Hindi, it means the fashion. Fashion mean that thing against which or behind which people rushes to find it. Mean people pay more concentration to use the such type of thing which are usually used by the several people. That is called fashion. Nowadays, see in the Bollywood what is happening. There is fashion to consume the drugs. Nowadays, the fashion to consume the alcohol. What is it? It's fashion. Dekha dekhi. So many people are using. That is fashion. So, mode means the concentration over that particular item by the number of people, that is called fashion. Likewise, whatever variables, whatever data collected of that variable, if it is arranged, that data, which value is greatest one, which is largest one, or the number which repeats itself so many times, that is called mode. The mode, the item is called modal item. The item is called modal item. Such as if in an organization 20 people are working, most of them are getting rupees 500. Someone is getting 1,000, someone 200, someone, but most of them are getting 500. The 500 is the modal item, modal number, modal salary or modal wages. Understood? Now see, distribution of data having only one mode is called unimodal. What is called unimodal? Mean modal item, modal can be classified into unimodal and bimodal. Mean in the given distribution of items or variables, if the mode is only one time, if the item is repeating it one time, only one item is repeating itself so many times, that is called unimodal. But if the two items are mode or two items are frequently repeating itself equally, that is called bimodal. दो मोड है उसमें. So we will study two modes are there. We will study one by one. First of all, how to calculate the mode. Calculation of mode. That is the several series: indivisible series, discrete series, and continuous series. Now see, in the indivisible series, inspection method, easy method, simple method, only by eyes, only by watching it, observing it, one can identify the mode. But this is not technically proved, technically correct, and it is not advised. Frequency series, it is also by inspection one can search out and can trace it. Discrete series, where the size of item and frequencies are given, in that case inspection method it is used. On the other hand, grouping method, if there is large number and bi-model is there, there is some items are very closely connected or concentrated, that is called, then grouping method is used. And the continuous series, grouping and analysis, and then formula is used, that is. And one thing remember, mode is represented usually by Z, that is Z, mode Z, sign of the mode is Z, equal to lower limit of class interval in which model class, जितने mode होगा, that model class, because there is class interval L1 plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. I will explain this formula when I will teach this continuous series. Now see how to solve the questions. See, first individual series. I am taking example from your book only. That is individual series. Individual series. See, only one item individual series there. That is marks have been given. Marks 4, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8, 10, 4, 7, 6, 5, 9, 7, 8, 7. It is given. Now see which item is greatest one. 10. By inspection method. Then in this series, in this individual, no, sorry. See it. Several items given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 items are given. Now see, the 7 is repeating itself 4 times. 7 is 4 times. 9 is 2 times. 8 is 2 times. 10 is only 1 time. 4 is 2 times. So which is one? 7 is repeating 4 times. Or you can write like this: 4, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8, 10, 4. Now see, 4 is 2 times. 6 is 1 time. 5 is 2 times. 6 is also 2 times. 7 is 4 times. 9 is 2 times. 8 is 2 times. 10 is 1 time. Four, 2 times, 1, 2, 6, 2 times, 6, 5, 2 times, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, 9, 2 times, 8, 2 times, 10, 1 time. 15. See which one is more? 7. 7 is called mode. Mode is 7. Because 7 is repeating many times rather than other figures. That is called inspection method. Got it? Now see the frequency series. Under the frequency series, in individual series, if the frequencies are given 4, 5, 6 marks, marks 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That I have already made it. Now again I am repeating it. Frequencies, that is 2 time, 2 time, 2 time, 4 time, 2 time, 2 time, 1 time. You already seen. Now I am again spelling it. See it. If that individual series is made in the frequency series in the individual, so the 7 is maximum time it comes 4 time. So mode is 7. It is called modal item. It is called mode. Now under the discrete series inspection method, discrete series, as the items are given, collar size of shirt, collar size of shirts, it's given 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 41, 43, and number of persons buying शर्ट 35 खरीदने वाले 10, 36 20, 37 30, 39 50, 40 20, 12 and 10. Now inspecting it. Which number of shirt, which size of shirt is mostly demanded by the how many people? That is 50 people, highest one. So the modal item or modal size is 39. Mode is 39. This is mode. Understood? This is inspection method. Only inspect it. Which one is the greatest one? It's called mode. Now, if it is presented in the group table, grouping of it. See, grouping mean if the bi-modal is there, mean in that series, the some items are very close to each other, or two items are very close to each other to be moved. So in that case it is very important to make a group, that is called grouping. How the grouping is made? Grouping is made in a table form. The step 1 is there must be 6 columns. 6 columns. In the first column, the size of item. Second column, the original frequency. In the second column, we will make the twins of each frequency, mean twins of each frequency. From first frequency and second frequency we will add it, that is called twins, from top to bottom. In the second column, by leaving first one, then we will start from second with twins. In the fourth column, we will make the triplets of it from the very beginning. And the fifth column, by leaving number one item, then from second item we will make the triplets, तीन तीन का जोड़ बनाएंगे. And the sixth column, by leaving first and second, from third item we will make the triplets. And each column, total the frequencies of these pairs and triplets, which one is more greater and under which size it is false, that is called mode. So see it how it is grouped. I am taking one example over here. Given the following data, I calculated the value of mode by using grouping method. See, marks and number of students. This is called frequency, this is called size of item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the marks. And the number of students are 4, 7, 8, 12, 16, 14, 9, 7, 17, 5, 3, 2. Mean 1 marks got 4 students, 2 marks got 7 students, 3 marks secured by 8 students, 4 marks secured by 12 students, 5 marks secured by 15 students, 6 marks secured by 14 students. Likewise this, you just see it by inspection. The greatest number is 17 by the 9 marks got by the 17 students. So mode certainly should be here, but 16 is also very close. So in that case we have to make the group. Now see, in the same I am going to make the group. I am not making it separately. See, it is number 1 column, original frequency. Number 2 column, number 3 column, number 4 column, number 5 column and number 6 column. Here I will make tally, which is not given in the book. This I am making it to make the analysis of it. Now see, in this frequency, which one is the greatest one? 17, okay, number 1. Second, in the second column, we will make twins of it or pairs of it from beginning to now. See, 4, 7, 11, 8, 12, 20, 16, 14, 30, 9, 7, 16, 17, 5, 22 and 3, 2, 5. Now in third column, it will, you just leave it and start from second item, that is pairs. 15, 28, 23, 24, 8. It is left because there is no double items are there, it is single one, so it will not taken into consideration. Now in the fourth column, we make triplets of it from the very beginning. 4, 7 and 8, 12, 16 and 14, 42, 33, 10. Now in the fifth column, we will leave first one and then start from second, triplets. 7, 8 and 12, 27, 16, 14 and 9, 39, 7, 17 and 5, 29. Now leave these two because third is not there. We have to make the triplets. In the sixth column, we will leave first and second, and it will start from third. 1, 2, 3. 8, 12, 16. 14, 9 and 7. 17, 5 and 3. 25. This is the grouping. Now see, one thing you observe here. In this original figure, 17 is the highest one. But it is not actually more. So inspection method is not so in use. Inspection method is not used because it do not give the correct mode in the certain series or certain situation. So see here, one thing is to see the mode is the one way to express which item is highest or greatest, or which is the value which is more heavily concentrated. That is called mode. So here see how in the first series 17 is highest one. In the second series 30 is highest. In the third 28 is highest. In the fourth 42 is highest. In fifth 39 is highest. And in it 36 is highest. This is the highest one. Now tally it. In the first item 17 is highest. You put before the 9. Single item. Single item. Before the 9. In the second column 30. That is 16, 14 means 5 and 6. Put before it. Now in the third column 28 is highest. That is 12 and 16. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Fourth column 42. That is the total of 8, 12 and 12, 16 and 14. 12, 16 and 14. That is called, that is 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. In the fifth column, 39 is highest. That is total of 16, 14 and 9. 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7. And the sixth column, 36. That is the total of 8, 12 and 16. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Now this is the distribution. See, which is more? This is 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 3, this is 1, this is 1. So 5 is highest. The mode is before 16. The mode is 5. In this case, grouping, under grouping table. Got it? The mode is 5. Is it clear now? It can be presented in the separate analytical table. Analytical table. This is analytical also. I am making here analytical table. You can see it. How it is prepared. It is very small one. But keep your eyes on it. Analytical table. Analytical table is prepared. The columns are taken over this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this X item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the marks. Now see. In the first column, 17, 9 is here, yes, 19, first column, take it. In the second column, 30 is highest, that is 5 and 6, 5 and 6, second, 5 and 6. In the third column, 28 highest, this is 4, 5 and 6, third, 4, 5 and 6. In the fourth column, 3, 4 and 5. 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. In the fifth column, 39. That is 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7. And in the last column, 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Now total it. You'll find 1, 3, 5, 4, 1. Likewise. Add 1. Highest is 5. Which item? 5. 5 is moved. Understood? Now we'll see the continuous series. Continuous series where the class interval in the group distribution is there, that is in the class interval and its frequency are given. Under which we will also make here grouping table as well as analytical table, then we will use the formula. See, the question is given continuous series, continuous. Age in years. (20 to 25), 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. This is given. And the number of persons are it is 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 18, 25, 12, 18, 25, 12, 7, 5. This is given. Now, which is the model class where the mode is? Either in between this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this, somewhere it is. So see here, by inspection method, this 25 is more and the 45, it looks like the 45, 40, between 40 and 45 there is a mode. It may be model class. But we will make the group of it, grouping table. Now see grouping table of it. Grouping table, it is number 1 column, number 2 column, number 3 column, number 4 column, number 5 column, and number 6 column. See here, in the 2, first we will make twins of it, we'll pair of it, 12, 26, 37 and 12. In it, by leaving 1 from second, it starts from second, 15, 43, 19. In the fourth column, we'll make triplet of it. 5, 7 and 8, 20, 18, 25 and 12, 55. We will leave these two. It cannot be prepared. Only two items are remaining. Now in the 4th, 5th column, we will leave first one. We start from second. 7, 8 and 18, 23, 25, 12 and 7, 44. In the 6th column, leave first and second, then start from third. 8, 18 and 25, 51, 24. This is. Now make the analytical table. Analytical table. And find the model class. This is column number and this is the size of items. (20 to 25), 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55 and 55 to 60. This is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now see, in the first column, highest number is 25, 40 to 45. Pick it, 40 to 45. In the column number 2, 37 is highest one, that is between 40 to 45 and 45 to 50. Second, this one. In the third column, 43 is highest one. This is the total of 35, 40 and 40 to 45, mean 18 and 25. 35 to 40 and 40 to 45. In the fourth column, 55 is highest. That is the total of 18, 25, 12. Mean that is lying in 35, 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. 35, this one. Now in the fifth column, 44 is highest. It is the total of 25, 12 and 7. That is between 40 to 50, 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. This one. And the last one, 51 is total. That is the total of 8, 18 and 25, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. Now total it. 1, 3, 5, 3 and 1. So highest is 1. So the moderate class is 40 to 45. Between mode is between 42 and 45. इसी में कहीं है. Now we will use the formula. We have got the model class. We have got the model class. Now see, use a formula. Model class we found. (40 to 45), and once again I am going to write the age and years. Age 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Frequencies are given 5, 7, 8, 18, 5, 7, 8, 18, 25, 12, 7, 5, 12, 7, 5. This is the number of persons. Frequencies are number of persons. Now see, modal class is this one. Formula is mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So L1 stands for lower limit of class interval. F1 stands for the frequency before the modal class. F0 stands for preceding frequency of the modal class, and F2 stands for the advanced study means forward frequency of the modal class, that is called F2. This is the form, and C is the class interval 20-25 means 5. So lower limit is 40, F1 is 25, F0 is 18, 2F1, 2 into 25 minus 18 minus F2 means 12 into 5. Now simplify it. 40 plus 7, 25 minus 18. This is 50 minus 30 into 5. Again 40 plus 7 upon 20 into 5. Now 40 plus 35 upon 20. Now divide it. Divide it and find it. This is point, 0 cut, point. Now divide it. We will find 1.75. Now total is 1.75, 41.75. It is the mode in between that one. Now you can understand it. Is there any question you can ask me? Now the last one thing I am just going to with how to ascertain the mode by graphic method. Locating the mode by graphic method. See it. Locating mode by graphic method. What to do in it? In the graphic. First of all, step 1 is we will make or draw the histogram of the given frequency distribution, and then histogram, the highest one, highest diagram, highest rectangle from the first corner to the next adjacent rectangle, we will add it. Mean we will draw a line, and likewise that adjacent, and where it intersects to each other, then it will be dropped on the OX axis. Wherever it falls, that is called the mode. Now see, the items are given: class interval grouping method. Interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 35, 40, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Frequency 5, 10, 15, 20, and 12, 10. Now we will draw, make the histogram. In the previous chapter, 18th chapter, the histogram was there. This is X, O and Y. Here we will write the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Here highest, lowest is 5, highest is 20. Now we make here 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15 and 20. Highest one. Now see, make that 0 to 10, 5. Make it 0 to 10. Now 10 to 20, 10. 20 to 30, 15. 30 to 40, 20. 40, 50, 12. 12 fall here. 2.5, 12. And 50, 60, 10. Now when you draw on your copy, you must use the scale and make the proper scaling of it, and then you will get correct one. Now the top one, the highest peak is this one. Highest rectangle is this one. What to do? From the adjacent one to the top one corner should draw a line. Draw a line meeting to each corner, and from this to this corner. See. Now here it intersects. You drop the line from here. Where it drops, that is called mode. And you can count 30, 40, 50 is here, 25 is here, so it becomes 34. 34. And you can use in the formula also. 34 is there, that is between 30 and 40 because it is the highest one. See it, L1 Z is equal to plus F1 minus F0 minus upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. See it, L1 is 30 plus F1 F0 F2 20 minus 15 upon 2 into 20 minus 15 minus 12 into 10. Last interval 30 plus minus 5 40 minus 27 into 10. Simplify it. 30 plus 50 upon 13. Simplify it. You will find it. That is 33 point something. That can be. This will be assumed by me, so it will, you can draw it, you can find the mode by using the graphic method. Now the mode is over, measure the center value is over. Next chapter will start in the next class. Thank you.